guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make background transparent on CapCut PC. So there are a few ways to do this. So for instance, you have this like picture or video that the subject is like in a black color and the background is in white color. You can just select canvas and you select blend mode and you choose the darkened one if it's a dark color like this. But if it's like in a light color like this one for instance, you are just going to select the brighten or screen mode for it. Can't see it because there's no like background here to like show. But if I add another color, as you can see, it changes the background color. Then you also have this other option where you can simply like select a video and just press cutout and select auto cutout. It's going to delete the background. But if your foreground and background kind of like meshes in a little bit, it will show stuff like this. But if your background isn't that crowded, it won't show stuff like that. You can also select customize cutout, but it is a paid like feature. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!